circular hotel will spin as it orbits, generating an outwards force that will act in place of gravity.
Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to our channel. Vacations are supposed to be perfect, including the air tickets and hotel reservations. Everything must be managed properly for an amazing experience, but have you ever thought of going to space for vacations? Did you guys know that the world's first space hotel is coming soon? No? Well, let's take a look. Having vacationed in space seems like an impossible idea, but well, anything is possible in this world. By courtesy of John Blinkhow and his construction company, the Orbital Assembly Corporation, people will now be able to live in space for several days very soon. They are working on their first major project, which aims to build a hotel in space, which can be said to be the first commercial space station ever. The hotel will be called Voyager Station and will accommodate 280 guests and 112 crew members. The world is extremely excited about this project and is waiting eagerly for its launch. According to the organization, the construction of the 50,000 square meter facility will start in 2026, with the first passengers visiting the hotel in 2027. 2027 doesn't seem that far, right guys? After all, it's already mid-2021 and 2027 will be right around the corner in just 6 years. Imagine playing basketball in space or eating ice cream in space. Feels like a dream, right? Well, Orbital Assembly Corporation is working to make this dream of yours come true. OAC is planning to serve up traditional space food like freeze-dried ice cream, while they also have recreational spaces for activities like basketball, taking advantage of weightlessness in space. If the world keeps going this fast, soon we'll be able to have holidays on different planets. You might still be wondering, how is this possible? Well, technology and perfect human mind planning can make everything possible. The team explains that the project is made possible by opening up low Earth orbit and beyond to construction. By opening up low Earth orbit and beyond to construction, resource harvesting, development, and infrastructure. This hotel is not going to be a huge building or something. It'll be a ring-like structure orbiting and rotating in outer space. The rotating ring-shaped form will give the station gravity equivalent to 1/6 of the Earth's. Also, the interior hotel designs shown by the company are no less than any luxury hotel on Earth. Even though the outer structure differs a lot from hotels on land, the hotel will have bars, gyms, and restaurants like any 5-star hotel. It seems like the hotel aims to provide some luxurious services to its customers, and that too with the most spectacular view. Now, you cannot get that view anywhere else in the world because it's literally from out of the world. However, there is one concern people have been having ever since the news of this hotel launch was released, and that is how much it will cost to actually stay at the Voyager station. Well, the company and John Blinkhow have not answered this question yet, but it is pretty obvious that it's going to be very expensive. However, the company has shown some signs of how they're aiming to work on costs, and who knows, one day going to a hotel in space could be as reasonable as buying a cruise ticket. But as of now, that's only an assumption, and if you want to enjoy living in a space hotel as soon as it launches, you better start saving money now. The goal of this project is to make it easier and accessible for more people to visit, and as fast as this world is going, we're assuming that going to space and staying in space hotels is just going to be like vacationing to Disneyland or Atlantic City. The company has made it pretty clear that they will be entertaining people from all over the world, and there isn't going to be any discrimination in this process. Well, we love this idea of living up in space, and we cannot wait for this hotel to become a reality soon. That said, do leave us your thoughts about the possibility of visiting the space hotel when it launches in 2027. Also, if you enjoyed these types of videos and wish to see more of them in the future, then all you have to do is like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now.